In every production journey, ensuring each variation of a product is developed without errors or rework is difficult. There are an immense number of moving parts, but process planning doesn't need to be convoluted or siloed by different systems. With MPM Link through Windchill, a planning process can be developed and implemented, following the digital thread from conception to production on one platform. Various product models and variants are essential to organize to put a process plan into effect. By looking at an overloaded manufacturing bill of materials, or MBOM, all the various optional modules of a product can be fed into a new process plan. Instead of building a new process plan from the ground up, users can see related, fully developed process plans to base a new plan on, saving time and extra work resources, cutting down on redundancies. These related process plans are overloaded, have filtering mechanisms, and are variant-specific for the configuration and work instructions. Within the process plan, choices and rules can be applied at the operation level to control the configuration of the plan. This easily helps organize each variant of the product being produced. Users can also create one operation within the plan, but have it allocated to all variants, such as allocating an operation to 4 different engines on the snowmobile. Without creating a new rule, the 4 different engines are allocated to the specific snowmobile variant based on the connected overloaded MBOM, cutting down time and creating an efficient workflow. Dynamic work instruction reports can also be created with filters to see specified instructions rather than generalized instructions. For instance, by applying a filter for color, work instructions generated for the color-specific variant become available, as well as an updated visual model, reducing the amount of data searched through to find one set of instructions. Users can also save filters for future use. Process planning doesn't need to be a hassle for every product conceived. Instead, Windchill offers streamlined capabilities through MPM Link for greater reuse of prior plans and organization tools, offering associativity between parts, processes, and resources. Time is no longer wasted with redundancies and long searches for specific information. Instead, users can spend their time on innovation with support from MPM Link.